Hi guys, in this short video I want to share an ad campaign structure that I launched 2 months ago on my 2 accounts. On first account I made 230 orders with ACOS 10% for the last 30 days. On another account I made 60 orders with ACOS 3% in the last 30 days. And by the way, my average ACOS is around 30%. So how to create such profitable campaign? It's pretty simple. Create sponsored product automatic campaign and add all your products, if you have more than one, to the campaign. Even if your product's not similar, add everything to one campaign. Bidding strategy down only, daily budget $10,000 and launch. Okay, so go to sponsored products, add everything on this page, then automatic targeting, then set up default bid 15 cents, nothing negative, dynamic bid down only, campaign name, daily budget 10,000 and launch. Usually we don't optimize this campaign, it works on its own and makes sales with very low ACOS. However, the optimization is up to you. I personally just increase the bid from 15 cents to 30 cents. So I can generate more sales if my bid is higher, but for start I recommend to set up 15 cents. If this information is useful to you, like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.